자, 이제 준비됐어요? Are you ready?
준비됐나요?
준비됐지요. Let's go.
One, two, three, four. Water. One, two. Mix it up a little bit.
Peel. Peel a mandarin orange.
Put it on a skewer. Add a quarter of a grape. Our recipe here, 20 seconds, 4 times.
Twenty seconds 2 times. Let's try one more time. Oh, a little bit more. 4 times.
Oh,
little bit
starting
more.
to brown.
Yeah,
Let's
a little
do
more.
10 more seconds.
Oh,
Ooh,
finally got
golden
it.
brown.
Spin. Take it out of the skewer and then. Okay,
Ooh,
good.
it's hot. Caramelized sugar.
Okay, take it out. Then it's cooling
Wow.
down in the air for a few seconds. And then, oh, you succeeded finally. Yeah, and then put on the chopping board. Put it on a little bit. You can leave it cooling down. Where is shine musket? Where does it go? Here.